So guys, I'm going to show you how crazy our snow guys tonight. Actually it's still snowing guys, a little bit, but you come to think guys, this is the real snow. The one I showed you the last time, it was just more of like flurries, or I would say a scant amount of snow, but this one's crazy guys. I parked my car over there, and as you can see guys, it's all white. It's crazy guys, and it's hard to look for a parking here. So we're just going home, and we'll relax, and I will keep myself warm guys after this kind of ordeal. Okay, you have a good night. Look at my car.
A few moments later.
Oh guys, this is the next day guys of our snow. So what can you say about it guys? We already shoveled last night, but right now we got some snows again that accumulated guys. So these are cars. It's not that covered by snow kasi hindi naman malakas ng snow kagabi, but we still get some snows left guys. Kapitbahay namin guys, napakasipag guys, lagi yan linis na linis guys. Ayaw na yung madumi ng kanyang garahe, kaya malinis lagi, napaka-organized ni Lolo guys. So ngayon guys, we're just starting our car guys kasi I need to clean it, and so with our driveway guys, kailangan natin linisin guys. Ito si Lolo, nag-exhibition sa snow. May mga mayabang din dito guys. Yung snow guys, ginagawa din parang skateboard ang kanilang kuhan, or pang skating ang kanilang kotse guys. So ganito ang kakapalang snow natin guys. Dito yung basura natin, nakuberan din ng snow. Okay. This is how Edmonton looks like right now guys, and it's not that cold. I would say -8, -10, -10. It's already cold, but not bad guys kasi hindi naman mahangin. Kasi yung Christmas decoration natin naka-ready na, set up, pero hindi tayo nakapaglagay ng lights guys kasi medyo late na guys para maglagay ng lights, kaya hindi namin nalagyan ng ilaw ating bubungan guys. But it's okay, there's always a next time guys. So today is Friday. Okay guys, I'll see you later, and happy Friday. At ingat sa mga taga Edmonton, Alberta, para safe kayo sa daan at hindi po kayo ma-aksidente. Okay, we'll see you later.